Calgary Stampede Promotion Committee is pleased to show you how to do the Cadillac Ranch line dance. It's probably one of the most popular line dance that there is. If you research, though, you're going to find that it's actually called slapping leather. So let me show you specifically what that means and how you do it. At a particular point in the line dance, your foot is going to be out to the side, to your right. You're going to bring your foot up behind you and slap your boot. Then you're going to bring it in front of you, slap your boot again, and then you're going to make a quarter turn to the left. So the slap and leather part is the boot, quarter turn, slap, and then we're ready to go again. All right. So let's take it from the top. Ladies and gentlemen, your Cadillac Ranch. It's going to start with your weight equally distributed on both feet. Your heels are together. You're first going to do heel splits. 1, 2. You're going to shift your weight to your left foot. Your right foot is free to tap twice to the right. Shift your weight to your right foot. You tap twice to the left. Bring your feet together. Weight shift to the left. That means your right foot is free for your heel to tap twice in front. Tap your toe twice behind. Then like an analog clock, you tap at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Now we slap leather behind, quarter turn, slap again. Now we're ready to move to do a grapevine to the right. Okay, so let's do that grapevine to the right. Okay, I'll count everybody in. Weights on our left foot, here we go. 1, right, 2, 3, 4, together. Back to the left, left, right behind, tap together. Weights on our left foot. We're going to move back 4 paces. 1, 2, 3. Lift your left leg. It's ready to stop down in front of you. Feet together. Now the weights, once again, equally distributed, and we're ready to do our heel splits, and we're ready to go. So let's cue up some music, and let's do your Cadillac Ranch. Calgary Stampede Promotion Committee brings you the Cadillac Ranch line dance. Great spot. Forward to the back. the Calgary Stampede Promotion Committee. Howdy, Yahoo! Even though it's not Stampede, we can always line dance.